Everyone, so we're back here hopefully with an easy haircut anyone can do at home, and we're going to start with our number 12 guard on top, which is 1 1/2 of an inch. Let's get this going. So as I say in every one of my videos, I'm sure you guys are probably tired of me saying it, when you're going with one length, every single direction just go. It doesn't really matter as long as you're getting that hair off. So you can see side to side, front to back, back to front. Let's get it. So right here, we're gonna go with our number 3. We're gonna find our part line, and we're gonna go up, and we're gonna slightly flick out once we get to that line. You don't want to go straight along the curve of your head because it's just gonna dig into the top, and we don't want that. So we're gonna get everything off as much as possible once we hit our line. And of course, we gotta do both sides and the back. Otherwise, you're gonna look a little odd, or you're trying to start a new trend, and I don't know if that's gonna work very well. So on the back, it's going to take a little practice to get it down, but just do it slowly, take your time, and you'll do just fine. And here we, with the number 2 open, 2 1/2, we have this fail. Thankfully, my clipper fell off at that point and not when I was cutting it. But yeah, I changed my, I got smart about it. I changed my clipper, and then with a 2 1/2, which is 2 and the lever open. You don't necessarily need it, but for blending's sake, we go up almost to the very top. Of course, the back again. And then now we just go with the number 2, guard closed, going up to the point of where you left off with a 2 1/2. Around the ears, everything, you gotta get it all to try to make the blend as smooth as possible. So as you can see right here on the sides of the hair, on the very top sides, my hair hangs off a little bit from the top. So with the number 3, I'm gonna go up and try to square it out as much as possible by flicking out. Just very light touches. You don't want to dig in there. You can see just some light touches, straight up, flicking out at the top. Try to make it square as possible, as I said. That's so it can blend in better. And then here with my little trimmer, trying to just touch ever so slightly the edges. Try to line everything up. This one again does get tricky, but again, with a little bit of practice, you'll get it down. If you have someone else to help you, even better when you're first starting out. Okay, so here we are after the shower and dried my hair. It's actually been about an hour. This is unstyled, and I'm going to show you styled right now. This is styled, basically. A little bit of pomade in there. Probably should use a little something thicker, but it's all I can find at the moment. Lifted it up a little bit, and let me show you the go around. I mean, looks alright, I'd say. I mean, if you don't think so, also let me know, just constructively. If you do think so, it looks alright, also let me know in the comments. But this is the general haircut, or this is the haircut. 12 on top, 3 on the top of the sides, and then we went down to the rest of it with a 2. I tried to blend it in with a 2 1/2, with the lever open. You don't necessarily need it, but it does help a little bit. Some clippers don't have that lever. But anyways, this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And thank you guys for watching. Take care and see you guys next time.